In this black box I hid something. Your task is to guess what's inside. You will get 6 hints to make it easier. Watch them all very carefully. Here is the first hint. Think about what this item might have in common with an old abandoned house. Here is the second hint. What does this video suggest to you? How this video is recorded and what you see on it. Third hint. Think about why you are seeing these things now. What commonality can these things have with the hidden object? Have you already guessed? Fourth hint. What could a hidden object have to do with what you see? Do you already know what can be in a black box? If you don't know yet, see the last 2 hints. Fifth hint. The hidden object is in the same category as the item shown in this video. Last hint. The first copies of this item were made in the 19th century. They can also be found today. Do you know what this thing is? Write in the comments what comes to your mind. In the next video, I'm going to open the black box and you'll see what's inside. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. The next game is already waiting.